Information, inspiration, motivation, conscientisation et surtout, distraction. Gardez tout, votre pot pourri avec Flore. Votre Flore, tous les samedis, 6h, 7h. Gardez tout, la radio pour réfléchir.
I'm your surgeon, Dr. Roman Joseph.
This show is brought to you by Jeff Hess, Attorney at Law, 305-255-2797. Ça, c'est avocat PAM. Jeff Hess, spécialisé dans accident machine. Ou glisser ou tomber dans la rue, dans maquette, avocat pour les cougner là, c'est Jeff Hess, 305-255-2797. Jeff también habla español, 305-255-2797. Allo avocat c'est Jeff. Ma pralerie les cougner là, 305-255-2797. Bonsoir. Bienvenue à une nouvelle sortie de Radio TV avec Dr. Flore. Eh bien, si c'est la première fois pour émission ça, eh bien, Radio TV, c'est radio et télévision combiné. Nous faisons radio pour inspirer, nous faisons radio pour motiver, nous faisons radio pour conscientiser et nous disons que la vie n'est pas toute sérieuse, ça faut qu'on soit capable d'étonner. If you're watching for the first time, I'm Dr. Flore Lindor-Latortue. It's always a pleasure to come to you live on 1080 AM, 97.7 FM. This morning we were with Dania. Un té para la mamá, qué actividad muy lindo, muy bonito. To all the mothers watching and listening to the show, Happy Mother's Day, bonne fête maman, nous remenons. Ok, et nous saluons nous toutes qui là, cap tendez et garder Radio TV avec Dr. Flore. Eh bien, une émission qui toujours chargée. Eh bien, sans nous pas perdre du temps, nous connaissons que summer, it's the time for parents to put their kids into a great summer program, but instead of summer program, then every time it's something new, Serge, I think we have the blessing to be the first one to help them blend, and everything. And that gives me a great pleasure to really welcome on Radio TV with Dr. Flore, an institution that's going to help us, the Haitian kids, to really seek a career in health science, my environment, and but who can help us understand better this initiative and the institution and welcome Haitian children to that institution. One of the leaders, Dr. Jacques Michel. Dr. Jacques Michel, welcome on Radio TV with Dr. Flore.
Thank you, Dr. Flore.
Thank you for being here and taking time Saturday. Happy Haitian Cultural Month. You're wearing the red for us. I'm wearing the blue. Then we got it right there. Happy Haitian Month. Dr. Michel, what inspired you to really think that with Larkin School for Health Science, that could be a plus in Haitian American children?
Well, I'm a chairman of Martin Luther Community Hospital. We have 3 hospitals in South Miami and in Hialeah and in Hollywood. And for many, many years, we've been a teaching hospital. So we train doctors in different specialties. And one of the things we notice is that, we graduate about 100 doctors every summer. And most of them leave the area. And the reason they leave the area is because they come from outside different parts of the country, the Northeast, the West Coast. And so we're always wondering what happens with the kids that are going to Miami-Dade County Public Schools and why they don't go do healthcare professions. And so this is the goal of our school, is to get the local kids, the ones that are going to public school, whose parents cannot afford a private school.
For healthcare science.
For healthcare science, people that, if they're interested in nursing, if they're interested in medicine, if they're interested in pharmacy. We also have Larkin University, which is a college of pharmacy. We have a college of biomedical sciences. And we're going to be working together so that they start getting a love for medicine. And as you know, there are many careers. There's a big deficit of nurses. There's a need for doctors. There's a need for pharmacists. So hopefully these careers are going to change their lives and give them productive long careers.
Then along with the academic approach for any children, then we bringing the healthcare at early age, a healthcare interest at early age. And I think it's in middle school.
That's correct.
That's
middle
middle
school
school.
is
That's
perfect
the
time.
perfect time. That's the perfect time. I'm very familiar with Robert Morgan, for example, which is a very, very school dear to my heart because my son attend there. What I like with them is the vocational approach. While they attending the school, then simultaneously the kid can become a barber, can go to culinary school, but healthcare is very unique. And Larkin is bringing that, and I'm happy to really bring that to the Haitian community. And allow me to translate. Maman a papa haïtien yo, grand-mère, grand-père, frère, sœur, gon bonne nouvelle pour nous. Ti moun nou yo qui la rue, ti moun nou yo qui kayou matin ou voisin ou voisine, qui remet l'école, qui remet mette ti son yo sou yo ou connaît stéthoscope là pour y ap gade si ti chien ti kel bat, si ti chat la, I'm saying in English and Creole, chien is dog. Kids sometimes they test, they do the vitals with the animals and they are animal lovers and they do that with their siblings. Then here an opportunity for them pour frère sœur haïtien nou yo aller là, yo pas besoin fatiguer yo porter éducation ça pour yo même. Nous même qui remet by grandma médicaments, those who like to help grandma take their medicine, here's an opportunity for them to be familiarized with the pharmacy and start having this in their soul. And I like that slogan, unlock your child true potential. That means if they're locking themselves in Facebook, Twitter, and the telephone, then now they can go live, hands-on. Does the school have a lab? I think we will surprise you and do a tour for you.
Of course.
The show will come, we'll do a tour. People will see the yards, if you have yards, if you have labs, meet also the staff, see the classroom. But when it's something like that, it's new. Are you considering the school to be a small size school, or it's going to be super crowded?
Well, it's going to be small because we want to concentrate on specific kids that have this specific area of interest. So we want to really dedicate the time to them so that we can influence their future careers. So yeah, absolutely.
Excellent. Then where are you guys located?
We're going to be very, very close to Larkin University, which is in Miami Gardens Drive, in that area of Miami Gardens, which as you know, it's very highly populated by Haitian population. So we think that those are the kids that we want to start with, and the ones that live in the area and either Miami Gardens or North Miami. We believe
Not Miami Beach,
Yes.
because once you go to 183rd and go to 19th Avenue, it's not Miami Beach. Once you take I-95 and go to 167, not Miami Beach. But once from Miami Gardens you go to 125th, it's not Miami. And Miami Gardens, even Miami Lakes, and
Correct.
because Miami Gardens connect really the heart of the Haitian community and even Little Haiti. And you guys are very open and want to bring that idea of health science for the Haitian children, and I think that's a great idea. Then we are happy for you, and we want you to repeat the address one more time, Doc.
So it's in Miami Gardens Drive. It's right next to Larkin University in Miami Gardens Drive in that area. It's right next to Visitation Church, and a lot of people know that area. And so
Attended by many Haitians as well.
that's correct.
Yes.
That's correct. And one of the things that's interesting, I get calls from Dr. Rudy Moise and other Haitian doctors. Most of them went to school in Haiti. They didn't go to school here.
Yes.
So the emphasis is help the kids that are going, the Haitian kids that are going to school here in the public schools, so they can become doctors.
Yeah,
We
exactly.
recently took a couple of residents in our programs that are Haitian doctors, but they actually went to medical school in Haiti.
That's good.
We want the doctors here, the students here, to go to medical school here.
Medical school here.
And that they have a future.
Excellent. Then we never have last word. Then they can apply online. They have larkinmiddleschool.org/apply. They will access the application, and it's very accessible. Thank you, Dr. Michelle. Once a month you will come, tell us how you guys are doing, and by Christmas we will have some activities for the first semester and reporting on how the kids are doing. We thank you for bringing health science into the Haitian community.
Thank you.
And best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merci mon Dieu, car écoute tu pour nous.
I'm Dr. Flore Lindor La Tortue. I'm a professional business consultant and a radio host. Our services range from advertising, marketing, hosting, and event planning. Call me right now, 786-521-7321. Nous vous offrons des services en français, en anglais, en espagnol et en créole. Relez-moi dans 786-521-7321. Votre mariage, des activités sociales, débats, commentaires, ça c'est nous. 786-521-7321.